Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, it's the weekend and we're checking out our new chapter. We're doing chapter 3 and we're checking out rational numbers. And you might ask yourself, well, what is a rational number, Mr. Waterman? Well, a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. All right? Now, if we want to write it as a fraction, we can write it as m over n, where m and n, which are two variables, they're integers, all right? And where m or n are integers, and n cannot equal 0. All right? So rational numbers is any number that can be written as a fraction, m over n, where m and n are integers. Now, we don't need to write this down. There's going to be some examples for you guys to do at the very end of this video. All right? Well, that's our first little definition of a rational number. Our next one is a rational number also includes any terminating decimals. All right? And now, so for an example would be like 0.8 or even something like 1.72. Those are finite. They're done. They do not repeat. They do not do anything special. All right? They just end. All right? Another type of rational number is a repeating decimal. All right? All right, it's also repeating decimal, and an example of this would be something like 1.7333, and the 3 just keeps going. All right, now, what is not a rational number? Well, that would be the opposite. It would be called an irrational number. So, an irrational number is any number that cannot be written right? So an example of this would be pi, or square root of 2, or 1.4142, and that just keeps going. Any number that really just keeps going. All right, so let's put some rational numbers on a number line. All right, so let's get a little ruler out here, and let's put a number line down, like that. Okay, well, let's look at this number line. I'd like you to put 0 in there, and we're going to put 4 different little spots. All right, and we're going to put, let's put -1/4 and +1/4 on the graph. So -1/4 and +1/4. And we put those on our graph and it looks, oh, there it is. If we put a 1 here and a 1 here, and we get -1/4, and we have our equal and opposite fraction of 1/4. Now, for every positive fraction, there is a corresponding negative fraction. You can see that there, right? Let's try putting the following decimals in order below on our number line. All right, so let's draw another number line. And we'll put a 0 down there. And we'll put 1, -1, -2, -3, -4. And we'll do the equal and opposite on our positive side. And the decimals that I want to put in are 0.43, -2, -1.5, 0.9, and 2.1. All right, so let's put those in. Well, we have 0.43. Well, that's going to be right about there. We'll just label these. And then -2. Oh, we know where that one is. That's B. -1.5. Oh, that's going to be right about there. 0.9. It's right around there. And then E is 2.1, and that's going to be right around there. Now finally, what I'd like you guys to do is make a number line, and I'd like you to put the following decimals on it. This is your entry ticket into class. So let's put the following fractions, sorry. -4/9, 2/3, -12/4, 7/8, and -1 3/5. Alright? I need you to try this for me. And you can bring that part to class. Alright, have a great rest of the weekend.